If your business relies on traffic from Google, you need to listen to this. On today's Marketing Minute, I'm Tony Wright. If your business depends on search traffic, you need to hear this. Google AI overviews are rolling out, and they could drastically change how people find and click on your content. These AI-generated summaries provide instant answers right on Google's search result page. That means fewer clicks to websites, less organic traffic, and a major shift in SEO strategy. So how do you stay ahead? You need to optimize for featured snippets and structured data. Google AI pulls from high authority sources and structured content. To get noticed, focus on concise, well-structured answers, schema markup, and FAQ-style content. Also, you need to emphasize first-hand expertise and authority. Google is prioritizing original experience-based insight over generic information. If your content isn't providing a unique value, it won't rank. You need to engage your audience beyond search, because if fewer users are clicking search results, you need to build direct relationships through email, social media, and community-driven content to keep engagement high. After all, you don't want to build your brand on someone else's land. So the takeaway? SEO isn't dead, but it's changing fast. To stay visible, focus on authority, originality, and engagement. That's your Marketing Minute. Stay ahead, adapt, and as always, keep optimizing. I'm Tony Wright.